Okay, here we go. Happy New Year to everybody. Here's my project today. I got the stovepipe and the hole all the way up there, and I got the thimble bracket pop riveted in. I'm charging up the lift right now. I have to move this mammoth beast out of my garage here, my shop. What is it, 5 minutes to 11? I gotta come out here, just change the hitch on the truck, disconnected the camper. I gotta move this big toy hauler out of here, and I need to drag the lift down the alley here, down into the backyard, and back it up against the house. Alright, so here we go. I'll be back in a while. I'm going on the outside now to put the stainless steel chimney cap and clean out and bracket. Built this all yesterday, pre-fitted it, pre-tested it. Everything's good to go. Now it's time to go screw it to the building and fill that big hole in. Then I have to bring this back in one more time, do the final fit on the stovepipe, and that's it. I'll be having a fire today, one way or another. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick glimpse of this thing doing its thing, folding itself up to move. Okay, that's it. That was pretty cool. Works good. Works good when it's working. I'll be back. Okay, there's the lift. I got all the components on board. I'm going to take her up. Hopefully it's not going to rain. And I'm here to tell you that is on a slippery slope for sure. I'm right on the edge of the big sinkhole where the oak tree used to be. Alright, I'll be back hopefully on the ground. I'm going to go up with the movie cam. See you in a... Okay, here's the view from up here. It's not looking too damn bad. I just gotta caulk the hell out of it. Caulk them pop rivets I put in last night. I'm gonna caulk and glue this bracket to the building with the screws. That should be good. Put some over there, straighten the legs out, put the top roof cap on. That should do it. Alright. It's pretty shaky up here, as you can see. I'm right near the sinkhole. Alright, I'll be back. I want to get this over with. Okay, here we go. January 1st, 2019. We got the first fire of the new year. And the first fire here in the grouse. Pipes are getting warm. They're starting to smoke a little bit. Clean it off. Got a good draft. Turned out good. I'll go show you a peek outside. I'll be back. Alright, there she is. Chimney's up and running. Smoking away. It's getting late in the day. It's about 4:30 here. Alright, there goes the phone. That's it for now. I'll be back. Happy New Year.